Today's video, we're going to show you how to lay bricks for beginners, building a brick wall. Bosh! Right, as you can see here, there's a profile. It's a nice plumb level up the bum, lovely, right? So what you do, make sure this is level both ways, and then you can use this to run your line in, as I'm going to show you now. You come around here.
Yep, right. Move it over, let's go.
There's not much room here, guys, all right? So we're trying to do a lovely video for you with minimal space. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please, because this is a bit of a pain in the ass to do this video. Yes, it is. Right, as you can see, we've built up the corner here using the profile with our gauge. What you do is come up a height of 75 millimeters, okay? Check your bricks first. The bricks we've got 65 mil high, okay? And that's allowing for a 10 mil bed, okay? You always gauge up 75 mil. So what we've got here is our Rhino dolly block, okay? We've put our line from there, we're running it all the way down through, and as you can see, we are laying red and purple multis, okay? With all these air vents in there. Oh, look. Like a harmonica. So what we do now, I'll show you in a second how to lay into the line, but on the far end, which we'll show you shortly, it's not enough room to put a profile up, basically. So we've got a clamp attached to the timber, which the timber is plumb, okay? So the line is correct. So our line is level and plumb to the timber and the profile both sides, so no, it's going to be perfectly flat. Lovely. So what we're going to do, my trowel's here. Don't worry when you're bricklaying. Some people are a bit scared and put minimal muck down. Don't worry about it, okay?
Covering me in this.
So get on, slap it down, okay? This here, which we'll show you, is a 4-and-1 mix, okay? But when you're doing brickwork, guys, make sure you're gauging it with a bucket. So what I mean by that is get a small bucket, standard size bucket, fill up to the top of sand, flushed off the top. That's one, okay? You do 4 buckets of sand, same process, and then 1 cement flush at the top again.
If you're unsure how that works,
check out the video up here somewhere. Okay, check this video up here. I'm going to show you how to mix correctly for bricklaying and the importance of it, okay? Because if you don't do it that way, you're going to get colour differentiations, should I say, in the mortar colour, okay? So we'll show you that. If you want to see it, check up here, wherever it is. But anyway, back into this video. Right. Play with the muck a little bit. Diddy. Then bring it over. Okay. Did dab it on. Depending on what hand you are, right? I'm right-handed, so I like to lay this way, okay? What you do now, push the brick down. So I'm pushing it up to this on a slight angle, okay? So it's perping up nicely, and just using your fingers, pushing it down, getting the excess, and you push it through. And if you need to, give it a little tippy tap tap. Okay. Be careful of the way you're scraping off the muck as well. You don't want to start smudging it all up the bricks, because that's when you can start staining it, okay? But doing it the way I'm doing it now, make sure the muck's at the front, clear at the back. But I'll show you another way of perping up a brick as well, alright? Like I said, there's not much room here, so it's very hard for me and the cameraman. Hey, Mr. Cameraman. Look it up. Depending on which side you need. I like to go down, side, and down again, alright? And you come round into the other brick, push down, clean up through, alright? Lovely jubbly. And what you're trying to make sure is you're always flush, because it will tell you, if I get one here, just to show you for example, when you're laying, you can quite easily be off level, so you're going to be like that. You're going to be a couple of mil past it because you're on the angle slightly, so you're off level, okay? You're following the bricks below, so that's why we scrape it off like this. You see that, you can see your flush, so we know we are correct with the level from left to right, okay? Or front to back, whichever way you're looking at it. What I'm going to do now is bomb this line in, show you how it's done, fast speed. I'm actually going to fast forward it so I look really quick, all right? So that will summarise that. I'll go over now, explain to you the tools you're going to need to do this job and why. So, trowel. This is a trowel. Any size, doesn't really matter. It's all about getting comfortable and whatever you're used to, okay? This is a trowel I've had for a long time, block laying and bricklaying, so it's just what I'm used to. Okay, you can get loads of different profiles. You can get a London, Philadelphia trowel, etc. There's about 1 million of them. But I like to use my pouch, so lovely, okay? Trowel magnet. You're probably not going to have this if you're just a DIY or something like that, because it's pointless for you. Okay, this is only for the full-time tradesman. Okay, this is nice and easy. It's by your waist. So as you know, you're laying down, put it there, put a block up, got spare hand free, and you're not always looking at your trowel, okay? For any of you DIYers, this might be a good one for you, okay? This is the Hultafers Brickmate, okay? It's basically, you see, spin it this way, a tape measure that gives you the sizes for blocks and bricks, okay? So as you can see here, 225, there is a full block, or 3 bricks, okay? So it tells you on here, to make it nice and easy for any DIYers out there that want to do it, I'd highly recommend you get this Hultafers Brickmate, okay? Just to simplify it for you, so you don't have to overthink it, okay? That's how I learned originally, by getting one of these. And then we've got this, got a brick carrier, the Rhino brick carrier. You see on our shorts, you'll see the video on that, okay? And then you've got dolly blocks. But if you haven't got a dolly block, I highly recommend getting one of these. Fitzpatrick clamp, okay? You'll see another one of my shorts, but I'll do a video of this showing you how to run in a line, okay? These are brilliant. You can use these for blocks and bricks because they're extendable, okay? And that is pretty much it. If you haven't got any profiles, use a level, and that's it, okay? And you're going to use, obviously, your line. So this is what I was explaining then, the Fitzpatrick clamp. You tie your line around that instead, because not everyone's going to have profiles and all the gear that we have.